in the last lecture we see the integrals of the type 1 upon a sin x plus b cos x plus c. Okay, then the method of solution of this type example, put tan x by 2 is equal to t. Okay, why we put tan x by 2? Because the formula of the sin x or cos x there is in terms of tan x by 2. Sin x, it is a 2 tan x by 2 upon 1 plus tan square x by 2, and in terms of it is a cos x, in the tan cos x is equal to 1 minus tan square x by 2 upon 1 plus tan square x by 2. So here substitute tan x by 2 is equal to t. Okay, now in this lecture we see the integrals of the type 1 upon a plus sin 2x plus a into sin 2x plus b into sin 2x plus c. Okay, only angle. In the last type there is angle x, here is the angle 2x. Okay, when we use the angle 2x, then sin 2x is equal to 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square x. Okay, when we use the angle sin x, then it is a 2 tan x by 2 upon 1 plus tan square x by 2. So in the last type we can put tan x by 2 is equal to t, but here sin 2x there is a formula sin 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square x. So here the solution method is put tan x is equal to t. See carefully, when we put tan x is equal to t, it is a substitution, tan x is equal to t, then differentiate sec square x is equal to dt by dx, but in the example there is no sec square x, so we can find only the value of dx. Then dx is equal to dt upon 1 plus, sorry, it is sec square x, we can write one more step, and then dt upon 1 plus tan square x, it is the value of sec square x, and it is 1 plus t square. So when the angle is 2x, dx tan x, put tan x is equal to t, and dx is equal to only dt upon 2, sorry, dt upon 1 plus t square, dt upon 1 plus t square, and sin 2x is the same value, 2t upon 1 plus t square, because here t is tan x, cos 2x is same. Okay, and then the examples are same, there is only two changes, put tan x is equal to t and dx is equal to dt upon 1 plus t square. There is only two minor changes. When the integral in the type 1 upon a sin 2x plus b cos 2x plus c. Okay, see carefully this. Okay, now we can see the examples. Evaluate the integrals with respect to x. It is example number 5. Then integral 1 upon 3 minus 2 cos 2x dx. 1 upon 3 minus 2 cos 2x dx. Now this example in the type of 1 upon a sin x, a sin 2x plus b sin 2x plus c. Here a is equal to 0. Then put tan x is equal to t, and therefore dx is equal to dt upon 1 plus t square, and then here is a cos, therefore we can write the value of cos 2x, it is 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. Okay, see carefully. Then integral is equal to dx, it is a dt upon 1 plus t square whole to the upon 3 minus 2 into 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. Okay, then take the calculation. Integral of dt upon 1 plus t square whole to the upon here 3 plus 3t square minus 2 and it is plus 2t square minus 2 and plus 2t square upon 1 plus t square. Okay, now then 1 plus t square get cancelled. It is a dt upon 3t square plus 2t square. It is a 5t square and 3 minus 2, it is a minus 1. Okay, now again it is 1 upon quadratic function. There is no need to complete square because only two terms. Therefore integral is equal to 1 by 5 integral of 1 upon t square minus 1 by 5 dt. See carefully, we common the 5 t square and it is minus 1 by 5 and therefore it is a 1 by 5 into integral of 1 upon t square minus 1 by under root 5 whole square dt. Now here we use the special integral 1 upon x square minus a square, that is 1 by 2a log of x minus a upon x plus a. So we can write here 1 by 5 into 1 upon 2 into 1 by under root 5 log of t minus 1 by under root 5 upon t plus 1 by under root 5 plus c. Then under root 5 and 5 get cancelled here, 1 by 2 under root 5. Okay, under root 5 and here it is 5. So under root 5 and here under root 5 cancel, here remaining under root 5. Under root 5 and it is 2. 2 under root 5 log of under root 5t minus 1 upon under root 5t plus 1. Multiply numerator and denominator by under root 5 and then put the value of t 1 by 2 under root 5 log of under root 5, here t is a tan x minus 1 upon under root 5 tan x plus 1 and plus c. Okay, see carefully this. Here type is 1 upon a sin 2x plus b cos 2x plus c. Then solution method is put tan x is equal to t and therefore dx is equal to dt upon 1 plus t square. Same as last type. Okay, in the last lecture there is only two changes. Here it is the angle 2x, so we can here put tan x and here dx is equal to only dt. In the last type here it is the tan x by 2 and here it is a 2 dt. Okay, here now we see the next example. Example number 6. Integral of 1 upon 2 sin 2x minus 3. Okay. Now again 1 upon a sin x plus b cos x plus c. Here b equal to 0. Then put tan x is equal to t. Therefore dx is equal to dt upon 1 plus t square and sin 2x is equal to 2t upon 1 plus t square. Put the values in this integral. Therefore we can write dt upon 1 plus t square whole to the upon 2 into 2t upon 1 plus t square and minus 3 Okay, here, see carefully. Now calculate this. dt upon 1 plus t square whole to the upon, it is a 4t, 2t, 2t, 4t, minus 3 and minus 3t square upon 1 plus t square. Now 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square get cancelled. dt upon, here it is a minus 3 plus 4t and minus 3t square. Again it is 1 upon quadratic function, so we can take common 3 only. Okay, therefore integral is equal to 1 by 3 into integral of 1 upon minus 1 plus 4 by 3t and minus t square dt. We can common only 3. Okay, 1 by 3 minus 1, 4 by 3, and it is minus t square. Then it is 1 by 3 into integral of 1 upon minus 1. Now plus minus the coefficient of t, it is a 4 by 3. Half of 4 by 3, it is a 2 by 3, and square of 2 by 3, it is a 4 by 9, plus 4 by 3 and minus t square dt. Then 1 by 3 into 1 upon, here it is a minus 9 plus 4, minus 9 plus 4 upon, it is a 9. See carefully, here it is a minus 5. Okay, and a square can be negative. Okay, here see carefully, a square can be here negative. Minus 5 upon 9, it is minus 1 plus 4. A square can be negative, and here we can take common. Okay, we can write this such type. It is minus 5 upon 9 and minus t square minus 4 by 3 t, and it is plus 4 by 9. Okay, here it is a minus, so we can take a minus common. Here we can take only 3 common. Okay, here we can take a minus 3 common. Okay, but when the square term is negative, we cannot take a common with negative sign. When we common with negative sign, it is a positive, and there is no need to formula. It is when every problem we can x square minus a square dx, and it is integral of a square minus x square dx. In every problem we can common with negative sign. When the square term is negative, we can use this formula, but when the square term is negative, we can take a common with negative sign, then t square is a positive, and t square is positive, that means we can complete square, and then there is no need to use this formula. Okay, there is only 2 formulas. One is x square plus a square and x square minus a square. There is no need to a square minus x square, because we can take a common with negative sign, that is the square term is always positive. Okay, and outside the minus negative. So for using this formula, we cannot take the negative sign common in our last examples. Okay, but in this example we cannot take the sign minus common, then we get a negative a square value. The value of a square is a negative, and then there is no real number whose square is a negative. So in this example, only in this example, we can take the common with negative sign. Okay, here only in this example we can take. In all examples we can take common only 3, not a minus 3. Okay, such type example. Okay, but only in this example we can take common with negative sign, or we cannot common negative sign, we can common here, it is a minus. Okay, we can common in this step. Okay, here see carefully this. ओके, प्रत्येक प्रॉब्लेममध्येच तुमचं जर ज्या टर्ममध्ये जर एक्स स्क्वेअरची टर्म निगेटिव्ह असते, एक्स स्क्वेअरची टर्म निगेटिव्ह, तिथं जर प्रत्येक एक्झाम्पलमध्येच तुम्ही मायनस सहित कॉमन घेतलं तर एक्स स्क्वेअरची टर्म पॉझिटिव्ह होणार. आणि एक्स स्क्वेअरची टर्म जर पॉझिटिव्ह झाली तर तिथं तुम्हाला 1/a² मायनस एक्स स्क्वेअर हा फॉर्म्युला कुठंच यूज करायची गरज पडत नाही. ओके, हा फॉर्म्युला तुम्हाला कुठंच येणार नाही. तुमचे सगळे प्रॉब्लेम या फॉर्म्युल्यानंच सॉल्व्ह होतील. ओके, हिअर मग हा फॉर्म्युला कुठंच यूज करायची गरज नाही. मग त्याच्यासाठी आपण मायनस कॉमन घेतच नाहीत. फक्त या प्रॉब्लेममध्ये मायनस कशामुळे कॉमन घ्यायला लागले तर a² टर्म निगेटिव्ह आली आणि ही a² टर्म निगेटिव्ह नसते म्हणून तुम्हाला इथं मायनस सहित कॉमन घ्यायचं आहे. ओके, या फक्त एवढ्या प्रॉब्लेमसाठी लक्षात राहू द्या. बाकीचेही तुम्ही प्रॉब्लेम जे जे x² निगेटिव्ह आहेत ते तुम्ही पूर्ण मायनस घेऊन कॉमन काढा, बाहेर मायनस येईल आणि नंतर पुन्हा लॉगची प्रॉपर्टी यूज करून तुम्हाला इंटरचेंज करायला लागणार. दॅट इज मायनस लॉग a इज इक्वल टू लॉग ऑफ 1/a प्रॉपर्टी. ओके, रेसिप्रोकल. तुमचा आन्सर या टाईपमध्ये येईल, मायनस लॉग a. मग तुम्हाला प्रॉपर्टी यूज करायला लागणार. आन्सर येते सेम, फक्त 2 स्टेप वाढतात. ओके, 2 स्टेप वाढतात आणि तुम्हाला ते a² मायनस x² हा फॉर्म्युला कुठेच यूज करायची गरज पडत नाही जर मायनस सहित कॉमन घेतलं. स्क्वेअरची टर्म आधीच पॉझिटिव्ह केली तर. ओके, तसे केले तरी चालतात प्रॉब्लेम, पण आपल्याला ते फॉर्म्युला यूज करायचा आहे म्हणून आपण हे मायनस कॉमन घेत नव्हतो. ओके, लक्षात आले, हे मायनस कॉमन घेत नाहीत. कशामुळे घेत नाहीत तर आपण a² मायनस x² हा ही फॉर्म्युला यूज करायचा आहे. जर मायनस सहित कॉमन घेतलं तर ऑलरेडी हे पॉझिटिव्ह आले, पॉझिटिव्ह झाले की मग x² मायनस a² एवढाच फॉर्म्युला आला आहे. a² मायनस x² कुठेच यूज करायची गरज नाही. ओके, एवढ्या प्रॉब्लेमसाठी लक्षात राहू दे, इथं मायनस आल्यामुळं ओके तुम्हाला पुन्हा मायनस कॉमन घ्यायला लागणार. इट इज मायनस 1/3 इंटू 1/c केअरफुली. आता हे दोन्ही प्लस झाले, हे दोन्हीही प्लस. मग ह्या t मायनस 2/3 t मायनस 2/3 होल स्क्वेअर t मायनस 2/3 होल स्क्वेअर. ओके, अँड प्लस √5/3 होल स्क्वेअर dt. and now here minus 1/3 1/x² minus x² plus a² 1/a tan inverse x upon a plus c. Then 3 get cancel, minus 1/5 tan inverse of 3 get cancel, put the value of tan, it is 3 tan x minus 2 upon √5 plus c. It is the last answer. ओके, फक्त या एवढ्या प्रॉब्लेमसाठीच लक्षात राहू द्या. नाही तर 1/, क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. ओके, 1/, क्वाड्रेटिक फंक्शन बाय कम्प्लीट स्क्वेअरनं सॉल्व करणार. x² टर्म निगेटिव्ह आली जर x² टर्मला पॉझिटिव्ह केलं तर आपण मायनस कॉमन घेऊन पॉझिटिव्ह करू शकतो, पण मायनस पॉझिटिव्ह घेऊन मायनस कॉमन घेतल्यानंतर आपण जर पॉझिटिव्ह केलं तर तुमचा 1/a² मायनस x² हा फॉर्म्युला कुठेच यूज करण्यात येत नाही. ओके, त्याच्यामुळे तुम्हाला मायनस कॉमन घेतच नाहीत. आपण काय घेतो कॉमन, फक्त 3 मायनस सहित कॉमन घेत नाहीत. आणि हिअर आणखीन एक टर्म याच्यानंतर आपल्याला पाहिजे 1/, ओके या प्रॉब्लेमचं सोल्युशन आहे. ओके, इट इज अ लास्ट आन्सर. याच्यानंतर आपल्याला 1/√, क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन हे सुद्धा प्रॉब्लेम पाहिजे. 1/√, क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. आणि जेव्हा अंडररूट आहे तेव्हा तर मायनस कॉमन घेताच येत नाही, फक्त तुम्हाला काय करायला लागणार 3 कॉमन घ्यायला लागणार. ओके, इथं तर तुम्हाला मायनस कॉमन घेताच येत नाही, फक्त 3 कॉमन घेता येते. पण अंडररूट नसलं तर -a घेता येते कॉमन, किंवा -3 और +3 दोन्ही कॉमन घेता येते. पण जर तुम्हाला इथं अंडररूट असलं तर मायनस कॉमन घेताच येत नाही, मग हीच मेथड आहे. ओके, या अंडररूटचं आपण नेक्स्ट लेक्चरमध्ये पाहणार असेल. ओके, 1/√, क्वाड्रेटिक फंक्शन. next example number 7. Integral of 1 upon 3 plus 2 sin 2x plus 4 cos 2x dx. Okay, again it is 1 upon a sin 2x plus b cos 2x plus c. Again solution method, put tan x is equal to t, dx is equal to dt upon 1 plus t square, and value of sin 2x and cos 2x. Here put tan x is equal to t. Okay, therefore dx is equal to dt upon 1 plus t square. Now value of sin 2x, 2t upon 1 plus t square, and value of cos 2x, it is 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. Put all values in this integral. dt upon 1 plus t square, 3 plus 2 into 2t upon 1 plus t square plus 4 into 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. Okay, now calculate this integral of dt upon 1 plus t square whole to the upon. Here multiply 1 plus t square into 3, therefore it is 3 plus 3t square. 2 into 2, it is a 4t, and plus 4, it is a plus 4 and minus 4t square upon 1 plus t square. Okay, now it is 1 plus t square get cancelled, dt upon, here the t square, it is a negative. Okay, see carefully here, and it is 7 plus 4t and minus t square. See carefully here, 1 plus t square cancel, it is 4 plus 3, 7, 4t, and 3t square minus 4t square, it is a minus t square. Again here is a square term is a negative, so we can complete the square. It is integral is equal to 1 upon 7 plus 4 minus 4 plus 4t and minus t square dt. Then integral of 1 upon 11 minus t square minus 4t and plus 4 dt. See carefully. Okay, here dt upon 7 plus 4t minus t square, the square term is negative, so here we use the formula a square minus x square, that is one integral of 1 upon a square minus x square. Now the coefficient of t, it is a 4, half of 4 it is 2, and it is a square, so it is 11. Then integral of 1 upon under root 11 square and minus t minus 2, t minus 2 square dt, and then it is 1 upon a square minus x square, 1 by 2a log of, it is a plus x upon a minus x plus c, and then 1 upon 2 into under root 11 log of, see carefully, under root 11 minus 2 plus tan x whole to the upon under root 11 plus 2 minus tan x, okay, plus c. It is the last answer. See carefully. Okay, here it is a 7 plus 4t minus t square. Here the square term is negative, so here we use 1 upon a square minus x square. Okay, see carefully this.